Alright guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, I'll be setting up the Apple Watch and of course I'm giving it some charge and it's now being set up. So of course, as you can see here, I've connected it to its charger. I'm not sure if it's charged. You see the initial screen here. And of course I have the iPhone here, which is the Pro Max. This is the Series 10 46mm, and of course we're going to set this up, and this is a general guide to show you to set up this device with your phone or your brand new device. All right, so here's my 17 Pro Max. I'll place it here. All right, here you go. All right, so it says Apple Watch and it says bring iPhone near to your watch. All right, so I'm gonna bring this in. I'm gonna unlock as well. All right, let me unlock. All right, so it's unlocked. All right, there you go. All right, so here it says Apple Watch. Use your phone to set up your Apple Watch. All right, so this is easy. All you gotta do is bring it in close, power it up by pressing the power button at the side, or just connect it to the charger. Hit continue. All right, it says Watch would like to send you notifications, may include alerts and so on. All right, so I'm gonna hit allow. All right. All right, so here it gives you the option. It says set up as family member or set up for myself. So I'm going to use set up for myself. All right, it says Apple Watch up to the camera. So I'm going to bring the Apple Watch up to the camera here. See that pattern there. There you go. All right, so it's going to say set up watch. There you go. So I'm going to use set up watch. All right, wrist preference. So it's asking me which wrist do you prefer, left or right. I'm going to say left. I'm going to hit continue. It says setting language on the watch. It says connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. It says setting language. So connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. All right, it says terms of service. I'm going to choose agree. All right. All right, it says watch analytics, improve products and service, allow analytics. All right, so this is optional. So I'm going to hit don't share. For you, it's up to you. All right, it says Apple Watch passcode. So this is when you set a passcode, Apple Watch locks when you take it off and requires the passcode to unlock. This may protect your data. All right, so basically it's saying you can set a passcode, so you can create a passcode. You can add a long passcode, or it says don't add passcode. So it's up to you as to what you want to do. So in this case, I think I'm going to create a passcode. All right, so it says create a 4-digit passcode. So it's asking you to type it in. I'm going to type it in on the watch. All right, so I've entered the passcode and it has done its thing, and it's now after verifying the code, 4 digits, it's now finishing up. All right, it's asking for location data, not really necessary, so I'm going to say disable location data. You can always set this up later. And of course it says bold text. It's giving me a breakdown of the text, so I'm going to say bold text. I'm going to use the default. and it's using my iPhone type. It says bold text size. It's give you the size here so you can actually judge for yourself as to what's the size. So I'm going to hit continue. All right, so it says dictation, use dictation. Not necessary, that's where you speak to the watch. So I'm going to say don't use dictation. You can always modify these later. Fitness and health, so I'm going to ask for certain personal fitness health like date of birth. It asks for various information here. We can go ahead and simply do the basics, or does it continue? All right, I just entered mail and hit continue. Don't need to actually do everything. So of course it says activity. All right, for activity I'm going to use, I can skip this step, but for convenience I'm going to set it up. So it says daily move goal. Do you want to do like the kilometers? So I'm going to use the basics. I'm going to use set move goals. 30 minutes a day. So I'm going to hit set exercise goal. You can leave these at the defaults. You can modify them later. It says daily stand goal. All right. So these are too long. So I'm going to reduce this. All right. So it gives a minimum. So I'm going to try the minimum for now. Set this goal. It says sleep. It says set sleep schedule. I'm going to skip that. Noise. Your Apple Watch microphone can measure sound levels without recording audio. All right. Low heart rate. Receive notification if your heart rate is low for at least 10 minutes. High heart rate. Receive no. All right. So I'm going to hit OK. Continue. Apple Watch can help you in emergencies. So you have emergency SOS. All right. Hold the side button to call emergency service and notify emergency contact. So that's useful. So that's the SOS function. All right, so it can call emergency service. You have the SOS feature. If you hold the side button and the backtrack in case you get lost, so we're going to hit continue. Those are fine. And here you go. It says double tap with your index finger. So we're going to try these out. All right, so it's showing the double tap gesture. I'm going to try that one. All right, when it continue, it says depth. Depth can automatically open underwater and measure temperature, time, and depth to 6 meters. So it says open depth when submerged. Don't open depth automatically. So I'm going to hit open depth when submerged. So sign into your account. It may take a few minutes. I may skip sections of this. Okay, it's finished. It says turn on location services to allow Wallet to determine your location. And of course, I can always not necessary. So I'm going to hit cancel since I'm not doing this. All right, so I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to hit done. There you go. Shows everything is set up. This is the app. And here it says hello over here. All right, so I'm gonna hit start. All right, so it's showing you how to navigate. So it says press the digital crown to see your apps. There you go. So we can see your apps. It says press the digital crown to return to your watch face. There you go. It returns to the watch face. And it says press the side button to open control center. There you go. So that's control center. It says press the side button to close the control center. All right, there you go again. All right, so that's just a quick tour. So let's turn the digital crown to see your widgets. There you go. It says welcome to Apple Watch. All right, so let's turn on location settings. I'm going to hit cancel for now. There you go. All right. All right, so that's it for the setup of the Apple Watch Series 10 46mm and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I do hope this was useful to you guys in terms of the unboxing and the setup, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.